Everyone, we're here from this analyze of these games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025 Masters Round Number 11. Also, have between from this Grandmaster from Netherlands is Jordan Van Forest versus Grandmaster from India Arjun Erigaisi. I thought voice like a boy voice here like that. So it's like he said that like, oh. So it's joking. So it means it's joke, huh? So it means round number 11 in this Masters here, long game, 1 hour and 30 minutes of this clock game of these tournaments of these games. So in this part of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Masters round number 11 in Tata Steel. So white plays Jordan is d4, knight f6 Erigaisi, c4, e6 East Indian defense, knight c3, and also bishop b4 is called Nimso Indian defense, so it means pinned by check, and also a3, so it means threatening by bishop, and also bishop takes knight check, and also pawn takes bishop, and also knight c6, so it means knight c6, so it means Erigaisi, nice move by determinations by blacks here. And also f3. So it means f3 is no more move by enterings by knight e4 by black pieces. And also b6. So it means b6 here. So it means mainline simple is also here is d5 here are move these black pieces and also e3. Oh, simple is that. So it means normal by white and blacks here from this one. So it means Erigaisi moves by b6 without follows by move by bishop b7 here by black pieces from this one and also e4. So it means go triple pawns. So it means how many count pawns? One, two, three. Oh, three here. Three pawns here from this one is called triple pawns. So it means move by e5 or d5 also c5. So it means c5 without, so it means e5 targets by knight and also d5 also threatening by knight. So it's simple as that. It's called three, so it means triple pawns here from this one. So it means triple pawns here from this one. And also knight a5 and also c5. So it means c5 by pushes by Jordan and also captured and also queen a4. So it means queen a4 by Jordan by follows by strongest by bishop b5. So it means strongest move here from this one and also knight c6 and also bishop b5 strongest move by Jordan. So it means queen. So it means first queen and bishop still target by knights without threatening by knights here from this one. And also pawn takes d4 and also bishop takes knight and also pawn takes bishop and also c takes d4. So it means c takes d4. So it means, so why don't we capture this queen takes pawn without check? So it means without check or maybe here without threatening of targets by rooks here. So it means what do you think from this one? And also bishop d7 without threatening of queens here from this one. And also queen backwards c4. So it means simple as that. Simple. We need to focus on these moves here from these white pieces here. So back there is c takes d4 and also queen d7 without defense by c6 and also knight e2. So it means knight e2 by Jordan without upcoming by castle king side here from this one. So it means simple castle king side. And also c5 without sacrifice without queen to queen and also queen c4. So it means queen c4 avoided by Jordan. So it means what do you think if you capture this queen to queens here by check here? What do you think on this one? And also bishop takes queen. So it means bishop takes queen here from this one. So it means determinations. And also pawn takes c5 here without continuation. So it still develops by challenges by also white and blacks here. So back there is queen c4 and also pawn takes d4, knight takes d4, and also bishop a6. So it means bishop a6 by threatening queen. So it means bishop a6 still novelty by Erigaisi of this game. So it means no more found on this booklet. So it means not found. So old mainline there is simple is bishop b7, or maybe here is castle king side here from this one. So it means good novelty by also that. So it means novelty is bishop e6 here with a threatening of queen, and also queen takes bishop. My god. Still still so it's still bishop downs here from this one. So it means bishop downs here. And also queen takes knight, and also queen c6 check. Oh my god. So it means queen c6 checks without target by rook. So it means check. Look at this. On main, check. So it means check, or maybe target by rook. Without threatening by rooks here from this one. So it means trap rook. And also good move king e7. So still defense by rook to rooks here. And also queen takes c7 check, and also defense knight d7 without solutions, without Erigaisi here from this one. And also another good move, bishop g5 check. Oh my god, bishop g5 check. And also good move f6 by Erigaisi. So it's still threatening of this bishop. And also rook d1, good move by Jordan. Still threatening by also that, threatening by target queen. Without targets here from this one. And also rook hc8. So it means rook hc8 without, so let's see. So it means rook hc8 without target by queen. So it means threatening by queens here from this one. And also queen g3 without backwards. So it means queen g3, and also queen b6. So it means queen b6 here. So it means, for example, what do you think if you capture this one, free pawns with a free bishop here? What do you think from this one? And also rook takes queen, lose by black. I don't know what example is one. So it means for example here from this one. So it means, so do not capture this bishop, huh? So it means avoid blunder ratios. So back there is queen b6, and also bishop f4. So it means bishop f4. So it means bishop f4 without move by here forward by bishop d6 check. So it means bishop d6 check here from this one. And also g6. So it means g6 here by Erigaisi, by move again by push by g5, or maybe here is e5. So it means without threatening by bishop here. So it means threatening targets here by bishop. And also queen f2. So it means queen f2, queen to queen takes check, king takes, and also e5 without threatening by bishop. And also bishop e3, and also rook c2 check, and also rook d2. So it means defense. And also rook ac8 battery. So it means, for example, what do you think if you capture this rook takes capture, and also bishop takes rook? So it means bishop takes rook here from this one, and also move by here, rook c8 without rook c8 by Erigaisi, by move again by rook c2. So it means threatening by bishop. So it means danger. So it means danger by continuations here from this one. So we need more careful by moves against this analyze here from this challenge of this one. So back there is rook ac8 battery, and also rook d1 battery again by Jordan. So it means battery, and also knight b6, and also bishop takes knight, pawn takes bishop, and also king e2 without defense here. And also rook hc3 without battery. So still rook hc3 without threatening by a3. Oh my god, still still threatening by targets here by continuation here from this one. And also a4, rook takes, and also rook a3 threatening by a4. And also last shot is rook b2, so it means agree draw from this round number 11 in this masters. So it means white and blacks ties all 99.5, 99.5. So it means black and white. So it means white and black. So it means tie. Tie, it's a tie. Tie in this one by white and black. So it means congratulations by both of this one. So I hear from this enjoy this part of this video here. Thank you so much for watching here. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Thank you so much for this one. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios. Bye bye.